there, my name is Carly and I'm the social media manager of Full Leaf Tea Company. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a really simple tea latte. So I'm just going to use our signature leaf infuser and some of our Earl Grey loose leaf tea and put a couple teaspoons into the base of the infuser. I like my tea lattes pretty strong, so I'm doing quite a bit. And now I'm just going to pop the lid on and place it into my cup. I'm going to add some hot water. I use boiling temperature water that I heated in a kettle, and I'm going to fill it about 2/3 to 3/4 of the way full and let my tea steep while I prepare my other ingredients. Next up, I'm going to add my preferred type of milk. I'm using cashew milk, but you can use regular cow's milk or any other non-dairy preference. I'm going to add some Monin lavender syrup, just a little bit. I like to add about a teaspoon. It's pretty strong, and lavender is a pretty aggressive flavor, but I think it goes great with this Earl Grey. I'm using this little automatic milk frother, but you can also use a handheld one that we sell on our website, or you can just put plain hot milk into your tea if you prefer that way. I'm also giving my infuser a little swirl to make sure everything's brewing evenly, and once it's reached my desired preference, I'm taking it out and placing it aside. You can brew this several times. That's one of the great things about loose leaf tea, so make sure you don't waste it. Finally, I'm just adding my frothed hot milk to my tea, and that's the last step. This makes a delicious tea latte, and you can easily adjust the type of tea, the flavored syrups, and the milk to make whatever experience you desire. I hope you enjoy and have a great rest of your day. Goodbye!